So in true Zenith fashion, after running it for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours, the filter capacitor failed. And you can see somebody already replaced a section. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be done. You can see they literally tied the negative to a screw. So, and it's supposed to be a 10, it's a 4.7, so this was kind of hacked by the in-house tech. So, and this is hot, and I was running this for a while, and this isn't hot here, so this needs to go. It's a 300, two 300s at 175 and a 10 at 150, and I got the 10 at 150 up here. Here's a 10 at 150, and these are small, so I can probably mount that somewhere else. I might even leave the old one in circuit, but I'm not going to hollow it out, because that'd waste time, and this is a cheap little black and white. If it was a color, maybe, but this is just cheap little black and white. So, but the two 300s, I might have to go looking for. This is 100 and 150. Shaiwa! I think that's 150. 270. This is like, these are cans. 470. Here's a 330 at 200. We can test that. It's a 220 at 160. 220 at 160. And this is just pulls from 70 at 100. From TVs, is another 300. 250. Looking for something a little bit newer. This one looks like it's from 1982. That's all my other stuff. And so that's full of caps. Jeez. There we go. 300 at 200. From 1994. That'll work. I'm gonna check it though. I wonder if I have any new ones. I don't know. I will. 300. Another one from 94. That's 50 volts. I have. Oh yes, I might. I have. Where's that capacitor? There we go. 22. 360. No. 6040. 470 to 560. What's this? 220 at 160. Gee, that's a fat cap. That's old. That's really old. That's a Samsung part. Yeah, I don't want to put that in anything. What we got here? 220 at 160. This is 82 at 200. 100 at 250. 1993, that's a little old. Two of those. And 100 at 250. Come on. What's this here? 820 at 250. That's a big cap. Watch it fall over and all of them start pouring out. And that's just 147s. Oh, here we go. Here we go. We got two brand new ones. I can save my new old stock. I mean, I can save my good old stock. I'd rather put these in here than some questionable used parts. This is a TV I'm going to be using after all. Okay, so we have our capacitors. We got two 330s at 200 and a 10 at 160. I can't imagine them making a cap any smaller than that at that high voltage. It's pretty small. I might go with something a little bit older, just so I can get rid of some of the stock. Because I hate to use, here we go, here's something. I hate to use something that's brand new, but in that small, because I can use these tiny ones for a lot of occasions. Okay, so here's an older one. This is probably 80s or 90s. It's DEC. It'll work, though. It's better than the leaky 60s filter. But what we're going to do is I'm going to fire up the soldering iron, and we're just going to... First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to desolder. I'm going to bend this. And I'm going to make sure... the vertical output transformer, that's why the vertical is all whacked out. I'm going to make... how am I going to do this? I guess I could cut the can. I need to go grab the SAMs. And... oh, here we go. Okay, circle... no, half circle and square are both of the 300s, and I'm going to mark that on here. So half circle and square. Where's my silver Sharpie? There it is. And then the other one is the triangle's 10. You know, some people might call it unprofessional, but I call it Zenith Service Saver. Flip the TV upside down. Now we can get at the someone did a really good solder job. Jeez, that'll just pull right out. If I cut... that will just pull right on out, won't it? Yep. I'm not going to do that, though. I'm going to stick it right back in. Okay, so we have... I'm going to replace this resistor, too. This is a... what's that? Blue, gray, red? I'm an idiot, so I have to use this. Blue, 6, gray, 68, so 6.8K, and I guarantee I won't have that. 6.8, oh, what do you know, that's a little overkill though. 6800, that's a little underkill. And of course, yeah, of course it doesn't list friggin' 6800 here. That's 10. I could probably go up because the line voltage is higher now. Line voltage is higher nowadays. What the cone? Where the hell did these come from? Really, 40, and it's that big. That's pretty obsolete. But we have resistors in here from the college. Ow. And we have some outside. 6.8K. I guarantee we don't have it. Nope. Completely gone. I guess it was a guess they use that a lot. We'll go find one outside. Okay, found a nice 2-watt flame-proof 6800. Here we go. So we got our parts. Now we're gonna have to make something where all these go together. First, we're gonna desolder the old one. So these two go to 300. This goes to 300, and the resistor goes to the 40. And this red wire, and this has already been botched, so there, we fixed that. So black, I'll mark these. Black to here, red to here, orange to here, and the resistor. I'll mark that on a sticky note. Okay, so there's our reference guide. I found another beefier resistor. Same value. Now we're gonna disconnect all these. Since I'm not keeping it, I just clipped it out. I'll strip the wires, get it ready. And yeah, you can see it was bulging at the end. You can see it there. And it's still warm. So, and I variac this thing. I need to clean the bottom of this. Do that right now. She's a rat turd special. I never cleaned the bottom of that. I probably was supposed to do that and forgot. So now we're gonna strip all the wires. God, I love this chassis. It's just pure class. It is a field of color and chaos. And there's an integrator. I hate integrators. And I'm looking for the horizontal phase detector diode. Oh, he already replaced it. Well, that's taken care of. I was probably going to replace that too, but no, that's already been taken care of. And this, and that probably need to go. In fact, that one there is going to go. Because the horizontal is a little bit whacked out. So a .022, no, a .0022. And since it's in the horizontal circuit, we can use a disc. So there's our parts for today. Well, I should say tonight, because it's about 10:30 and the camera's running out of battery. Come on, okay. Here's our filter all built. Pretty neat. I forgot to heat shrink the negative, but that's okay. I'm not radio, TV, phone, or not. Now we got our all positives. I got the resistor correct. It's our 6800 ohm. Still a bit warm. Now we're gonna mount it. Probably like in there somewhere, or better. Mount it like that. No, that's not gonna be possible. Here. Mount it there. Don't know how we're gonna accomplish that. Probably hot glue, because I'm out of JB Weld. The old trusty glue 1000 out. Okay, so I had a little brain pop. So I got this all connected up. And I was like, why don't I just bend this? I bent this back, and I'll just mount it. Just mount it like that. Just mount it like that there. That layer. And we're done. Okay, that's really stuck on there. It's good on there. Here's the old cap, this heavy capacitor. We'll flip it around, we'll see if it works now. Okay. This is the moment of truth. That's odd. Oh god, I screwed something up, didn't I? Okay, what did I do wrong? They're not getting hot. That could be it there. That's not properly soldered, is it? Okay, I got a real hot tip for myself. 1, don't do electronics when you're tired. And 2, don't run a friggin' capacitor without being grounded. Jeez. I guess there's a reason why people don't do electronics at 11 o'clock at night. God, I'm surprised the capacitor didn't explode. Anyway, let's try it now. No instant buzz this time. There goes the flaky power cord. Golly, I can't believe I did that. That's like Class A dumbass. That's better. Okay, there we go. And that something's twerking. Oh, probably why. Come on. Stupid vertical. What the hell is going on with the contrast? There we go. That looks good. That looks really good. Doesn't like channel 4. Well, that kind of fixed it. There's our replacement, and this is what we started with, a leaky filter can. And on the schematic, on the SAMs, it showed that he replaced this already once. So I guess this was a common failure for Zenith televisions, the filter caps. Anyway, thanks for watching. My recording device is about to die.